Hi everybody, I'm back and I'm filming. Oh, never mind, I know what the sounds are from. It's night. I probably should have just looked up. And as you can see I have a shield. Yay! Yes, I am inside a creative mode. By the way, I am inside a creative mode. And my mouse is not acting very nice. Because my mouse doesn't like me at all. So, but I don't have very much memorized. I just got thinking. Probably all hiding under trees or maybe. What in the world is all of them coming from? I guess. Wait. Where's all the mobs? I mean, literally, well, the husks should at least be here right now. I mean, if I were to be playing 1.13, I would totally be not going inside the water too often. Here we go, so a mob died. It's probably a skeleton. Thank you for the free arrow. I have a lot of hard lag, sadly. At least it's not really an ocean. What? I kinda don't get this. Like some type of cave that this is leaking into? Probably. Just really hoping that no mobs get me. It's like, if you remember the last video, I died. It was called Dying. With the happy face. Yeah, I said with the happy face. Now you can actually kill yourself like this. It's not fully. Oh! Wait, this kind of reminds me of like one of my other worlds. By the way, there's a desert temple over there that I'm not going to rob. I mean, I know to get like plenty of regular Minecraft blocks, which I don't have any yet. Might as well just pick it instead. Oh, not this again. Yeah, guys, it's this again. The horrible lag of the appearing blocks. It doesn't happen at all inside creative mode. Only one is like 8 pieces. Just kidding. 10. I think I should peaceful it. I just have to be ready for any mobs that are inside of it, that's all. Right? How many mobs are inside of it? Oh no, I'm lagging. Whenever I lag when I'm by a desert temple, I feel like it's just, well. Real quick, why can I not find the entrance? I went to peaceful mode. So you have saturation. Also, real quick, let me just mine this. Oh no. Mine this. All the TNT I wanted. All I have to do is find out how to get out. Oh, right, I have sand. Now what do we have inside the horse armor? That's nice. One enchantment. Oh, nah, I'm not good at it. It's not the best. A lot of gunpowder, which is nice. Some bones. 3 strings so I can make a bow. Some more random sand. And another horse armor. And there's literally a spot. Oh, whoa. Oh, wow. And now I have 26. I can make, like, a lot of stuff. But I'm gonna grab the bones inside of all of them. So bones are really important. All the string. Especially like gunpowder. Come on. I'm just gonna collect everything, okay? Instead of removing the stuff that I really do not need. Oh, that's a lot of bones. Use a lot of string and 2 more gunpowder. And so this is rotten flesh. I hate my shield. It's really bugging me. Oh, yeah, this again. Breaking every single block we know about. Now what we can do is actually throw all my items that I really do not actually need back down here. Yeah, the blocks. Yeah, guys, you should probably get it. I hate Minecraft blocks. What the? Is there a staircase up? Good news, there's a staircase up, so I can actually... Huh? There's actually... Ooh, if that was supposed to be if that is a zombie village, wouldn't that be really cool if we just found a zombie village? Like, near spawn? You know, that was actually where I spawned. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's a glitch. I want to check your trades. If you're no trade, say you're no trader, dude, you don't have any trades. This dude, he had no. This is another no trade. I need to find better villagers because all of mine are horrible. I mean, I've never actually found a good villager that actually has any trades. You know, I don't even need a carrot on a stick. Potato on a stick, nope. Now, is there any sets? Oh, isn't that pink sheep? No, it's not pink sheep. It was like really oh my gosh. It's like always going into my inventory. I'm washing the carrots. I washed the carrots. They still look, uh-oh. Right, about this house. Who would build a house like this? Where's the door? This is a parkour house. You literally have to parkour all the way up to even be close to the door. One question, who would live in this? Nope, I cannot do it. It's really annoying. Yeah, this is actually why I hate these forests. Oh, do we have a blacksmith? What? No, I do not like emeralds. No, I said I do not like emeralds. Worlds. What do you have? What do you have? Oh, what? Ooh. Oh, you know, I might want an emerald. What can I get with a diamond? How about I have horse armor? Useless. This gets useless. What do you have? Oh, you're a leather worker. That's nice. Actually, what pants does he have? I kind of need pants, but I'm not giving you 2 emeralds for that. Here, you're a butcher. No, you're a weaponsmith. No, most villagers had some stuff when they died. I just destroy villages because I like to. When I was inside a peaceful world and it was like, why are there no mobs? Oh, a librarian. No, it's not a librarian. You're what? Huh? What do I do with this? I'm just gonna make horse armor. You're still useless. I have 18 string. What can I do? Like make a bow? Do you know how much all I can do with string? Make a bow and a fish. Bye. Have a great time, horrible person. To be honest, I thought I was the horrible person. Nah, they're not horrible. I kind of really like Mossy Stone. It's really nice. Looks green. This makes me feel like home. The grasslands. Oh, good news. Just kidding. It's actually really good news. It's actually really good news. It's not a grass. Oh. Just like a plus sign, like a healing sign. It's moss don't be oh. The news is also not a cross. Just collecting all this moss stone for technically no reason. It's really beautiful anyways. Even though my stone sword's about to break from killing all those villagers. Now I have to find my house. Which might take a long time. Hey, you know, while I'm at that, I might as well just keep on getting this. Decapitated like a stone piece of art. Well, did you see? It was like an animation. Hey guys, so I'm gonna leave off this video right here because, yeah, I kind of don't know where my house is. And like, I'll see you guys all next time. Like, if you want to watch me go to my house, you can, or you could just skip to the end, which is like a minute or so. Pretty much all that the end is a minute. And I'm just gonna like film this, no cutting. I'm not gonna cut it. Just cutting makes everything boring.
Wait.
I'm just kidding. Can I actually make stuff actually pretty good inside of videos? But I'm still not gonna cut it. I know it. I'm talking to the viewers that are watching this YouTube video.
Oh, there's not gonna be no viewers left.
But I only have 2 subscribers right now that I know of. What the frick are these bunnies? Bunnies! I want to say hi with my axe. I'm going to kill them. I think you can always hit bunnies with an axe. There's 8.
No, there's rabbits.
Well, what am I doing? My house is over there. Bye, everybody. Have a great time. And see you all next
To be
time.
honest, I wouldn't be